Multiply 917 by 242 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. 2 times 9 is 18. The first partial product is 1834. Now use the tens digit, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 7 is 28. Put 8 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 6. 4 times 9 is 36. The second partial product is 36,680. Now use the hundreds digit, 2. Start two places to the left. 2 times 7 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. 2 times 9 is 18. The third partial product is 183,400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 3 plus 8 plus 0 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus the carried 1 is 19. Put 9 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus the carried 1 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, 3 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the hundred negative thousands column, 1 plus the carried 1 is 2. The whole negative number product is 221,914. So 917 times 242 is 221,914.